Looking for some quick and healthy meal ideas? Here are 10 meals you can make in under 30 minutes. First up, try a quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables and a fried egg. Or, whip up some shrimp and vegetable stir fry. Another option is to make a tuna and avocado salad with mixed greens. Or, try a veggie-packed omelette with whole wheat toast. For something heartier, make a sweet potato chili or lentil soup. Or, try some baked salmon with a side of roasted asparagus. If you're in the mood for some pasta, make a quick and easy pesto pasta with cherry tomatoes. Or, try a chicken and veggie teriyaki stir fry. These meals are not only healthy, but also delicious and perfect for busy weeknights. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite.